Hey, so today I'm going to cover a really fast prep Ayurvedic soup that you can do during your detox. So I already cut my vegetables. I have a bell pepper, a yellow squash, 2 celery, 2 carrots. You can see I dumped a bunch of garlic in there and kind of mixed it up, but there's more than what you can see because I love garlic, and some green onion. And you can add a potato if you'd like. Potatoes are a little heavier. I was going to add cabbage, but my cabbage is actually spoiling a little too soon. So, a couple of other things. I have some chicken broth. You can, if you want to get into making your own chicken broth, let me know. That is a little more involved, but once you have the chicken broth, you can do this, which I have. This is pepper. It says garlic salt, but it's just ground pepper, paprika, cumin, and ginger, and then the broth. So I will add these and that to that and about 4 cups of water and just let it simmer. Or alternatively, instead of using any of this, you can use the coconut aminos. Veggies, water, coconut aminos. So that is a quick and easy recipe. If you want, we can go ahead and walk through that. So voila, add the veggies, some of the veggies, add some broth. Give me a moment while I pour the broth. And this is a brand that this grocery store carries that I just I enjoy, this Imagine. And this is a chicken broth. They do have veggie broth. It is a free-range chicken broth that is low sodium. So if you find you need more salt, if you get this one and you find you need more salt, I tend to go with garlic salt versus just regular salt, but sea salt when I'm using salt. I will say it's a little difficult to hold a phone and pour and measure. Your depth perception through a screen is a little off. So, a couple more cups, and I'll do all 4 cups with broth. If I need more water as it's cooking, or I'll do 3 cups with broth and then substitute whatever I don't have left. And it's not, the one thing about soups is it's not really something that you have to worry about measurements so much. So that's the broth. So I'll add in another cup of water, but I'm going to throw in some paprika. How much? Oh, let's see. Maybe I like paprika a lot. Sometimes I'll add tomatoes to this, but right now I'm doing the detox, so I'm trying to avoid the more acidic aspect. So about that much. And this paprika is actually, I bought it from Skips. This is just an old jar. So Skips is in Fruta if you are looking for someplace with spices. Also, Willow Creek in town. So then cumin seed. So we're going to do some cumin seed. And again, how much? About this much. So much. If you are not familiar with paprika or cumin seed or ginger, my advice would be to put a little bit on your hand and taste it to see if you like it, and then go from there. And then ginger. So we'll do a little bit of ginger. Again, how much? However much you would like. This much sounds good. Well, and then it gets clogged. You can also add fresh ginger, which is actually really a lot better for detox. And then that's it. So turn the flame on. Voila. Stir it up and let it simmer for about 20-30 minutes. If you have potatoes, it might be longer. And that's an easy, simple soup. Ta-da!